Hey guys, today I'll be making gluten-free, dairy-free soufflé pancakes. These are just some of the ingredients, but I'll list the full ingredient list down in the description box below. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to split the eggs into egg yolks and egg whites. I'm going to use the egg whites later for the meringue, and right now I'll be just using the egg yolks to make my mixture. To the bowl with just the egg yolks, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oat milk. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I already added 4.5 teaspoons of all-purpose gluten-free flour. And now I'm adding half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so now for the fun part, we're gonna take the egg whites and we're gonna make a meringue, and we're gonna use a hand mixer. Now I'm adding 1 2/3 tablespoon of sugar. So you want to keep mixing until you see a glossy sheen and soft peaks. Make sure to add the sugar in small amounts at a time. At this point I added all the sugar, so now it's creating the texture that I want. Okay, so to be honest with you guys, I wasn't happy with the first meringue batch that I made, so I went ahead and made another one. As you can see, it's a lot more glossier. So now I'm just incorporating the meringue in small amounts at a time to the egg mixture that we made previously so we can make the batter. Okay, so now we're finally adding the batter to the pan, but previous to that, I lightly oiled the pan with vegetable oil and then I spread it around with the tissue. So we're gonna cook the pancakes on each side for about 3 minutes, and we're also gonna add a little bit of water in the middle of the cooking and then cover it with the pan.